A kí yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Pavilion TV. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ sì kú déédé àsìkò yìí. Àwọn ìròyìn yàjóyàjó lórí ìdìbò tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ sí ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin àti sí ipò ààrẹ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà òun là ń mú wá fún yín. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, President Muhammadu Buhari wọ́n ti dìbò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Katsina ní Daura. Lẹ́yìn tí President Muhammadu Buhari dìbò tán, wọ́n bá àwọn ènìyàn sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ. À ń padà bọ̀.
It is a pity there is only one woman candidate in the governorship from Adamawa State. So the woman should kindly follow our APC presidential candidate, and everybody knows him.
This is the first time since 2003 that you are named on the ballot. How has been the experience?
It's very exciting. I look at those who are competing, and some of them are so agitated. They didn't know that I tried 3 times. I ended up in Supreme Court 3 times, and then the 4th time I said God did, and God sent technology. With permanent voters card, no fraudulent person can come and claim anything more than 1 vote for himself.
Just ask for that.
Yaya ka ji game da wannan zaɓe? Wannan ne karo na farko kusan cikin shekara 20 da baka takara. Yaya ka ji zuwan ka a matsayin ɗan zaɓe mai yin zaɓe?
To na yi murna cewa wanda suke amma da fara irin ta da ba ta yi wa yanzu yadda da mutum zai zo ya ce zai kawo ƙuri'a 10,000 to za a san iya kawo guda ɗaya ne kawai sai dai yana da mata hudu da wannan na iya kawo da dama.
After English, oh no, okay, what? After English, outside, when I overcome la paix to come like the same frequency, I don't know. Now this rise are help us. Now this rise are help us.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. A lérò pé ẹ̀ ń bá wa lọ. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà o. Ẹ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí Pavilion TV fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá.